wanted to share with you this drone that I have from TizzyToy. It has a 4K camera on it, which is going to be here in the front and can rotate 90 degrees. So you can be looking outward or straight down, which is going to give you that good aerial view. Inside the packaging, you're also going to get extra set of propellers. You're going to get 2 battery packs. You're also going to get the charging cord, which is a Type-C cord. And then there's in the manual the instructions for using the app or how to download the app so that you can also have that control when you're looking at it from your aerial viewpoint for that great imaging of that 4K feature. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate to you the flight path. It's really easy to navigate. You can use the app, or again, the TizzyToy actually comes with its remote, which is how we started here. My 11-year-old daughter is going to demonstrate flying it around and kind of walk you through that. But the joysticks, again, will move you side to side, up and down, rotate around, take the images. The remote control can do a lot, as well as the app. All right, it's a fun toy. I highly recommend it. Enjoy.